In this video, we're going to cover the watch list in the DxTrade platform. When you first load the platform, you will have your default watch list, which shows all of the symbols that the platform is deemed to be the important ones. These change periodically based on the volume being traded. Please note that it's not an all-encompassing list of every single symbol inside of the system. The first thing is, if you want to create your own watch list, you can simply do that by clicking the caret icon at the top, then going down to the create your own watch list. And for example, if I wanted to create a crypto watch list, I can simply give it the name crypto watch list, click save, and it's going to give me a blank watch list where I can then start going and adding symbols. And I can go down the list and add my different symbols by just starting to type it in and clicking the add, and it will automatically go add that symbol into this watch list. Additionally, you can click inside of the symbol box and you can select your other symbols from here as well. So if I want to add Ethereum, I can start typing Ethereum and all the additional ones that are available. And to find out if it's available, you simply start typing and it'll give you a list of all of those. So as an example, we'll just use these three for now. Now that I have the symbols that I want inside my crypto watch list, another convenient feature is linking them together with other applications inside of the system, such as your charts. And I can do that by simply clicking inside of the chart, the little icon that looks like a chain, and then selecting the color that the other watch list is already selected to. As you can see here, it's green. So select that, and then it'll take a minute to load the chart as it's pulling in the fresh data. The reason why this is so convenient is because it allows you to easily switch between charts with the click of a button if you're on your watch list without having to manually type something in over here. So for example, if I want to click and start seeing Ethereum on the chart, I can simply go and left click on it in the watch list and it'll automatically go pull up my Ethereum chart. Some of the other features within inside of the watch list are customizing what columns of information show. Currently, we are showing symbol, bid, ask, and change. However, if I want to add additional columns, I can simply go to the hamburger icon. I can select columns customization, and it'll give you a full list of the different columns that are available. Some of the more popular ones that traders like to see are the percent change and spread of any single symbol that is currently inside of there. And to add a new symbol, you select it and then you click add to table and it'll move it to the right hand column where it's currently in the column. And we'll select both of those. And then once they're added, you click apply, and as you see, it automatically goes and applies it to the watch list. And then I can see the spread or the percent change of the product that's available. Some other features that you can do inside the watch list is if you highlight over any single symbol, you can right click, which will give you a host of different options in a drop-down menu, such as pre-configuring your take profits and stop losses so that any trade you do thereafter will automatically have a stop loss or take profit on that order. This is convenient if you're quickly trading, such as using one-click trading. You're not having to manually go and add a take profit or stop loss. So if I click here, you can see I've already applied my stop loss, but maybe I want to do my stop loss at 60 pips. Click apply. And now if I go and buy, as an example, you'll notice my 60 pip stop loss is already applied to my order. Additionally, if we go back and highlight over and I right click, if I wanted to pull up a new chart, for example, for this symbol, I can simply click view chart and it's going to pull up a new chart inside of my window for me with that symbol information. Moving back up, if I right click again, you can see there's additional stuff that can be done from here, such as if I want to move symbols up or down, it's a convenient thing where I can put the ones that I want to trade the most at the top, and the ones that I care less about, I will move them down, or I can configure them to be in the mix of where I want them. If I come back to the top and I add a new symbol, you'll notice that any new symbol that I add gets put automatically to the bottom. As your symbol list grows, that's not convenient, because what you have to do if you want it higher is you have to go and you have to right click and then keep clicking the move up button each time to do it. So what the DxTrade platform allows you to do is you can insert a symbol wherever you want inside of your watch list. For example, if I want to put a new symbol between Bitcoin and Euro USD, I can simply right click on Euro USD and I can insert a new symbol above, which is going to save me quite a bit of time, as if I had to sit there and click up, up, up every single time to get it where I want it inside of the watch list. Additionally, if I come and I want to remove a symbol from the watch list, I highlight that symbol, right click, close instrument, and that'll remove it from the watch list completely. The last thing that we want to cover in this video is the different types of watch lists there are. So far, we've been using the grid format, where it puts everything in columns and rows. However, you can also do it in a buy and sell button format by simply clicking the button here, which gives you large buys and sells, as well as gives you the spread and the ability to adjust the quantity on the fly. These buttons are very convenient if you're using the one-click trading. Keep in mind, if you're using one-click trading, when you click buy or sell, it's going to send an instant market order and you're going to be filled at the next best available price. So from here, you have all of the same features and functionalities that you had in the grid format, such as the hamburger icon that allows you to do all of the different things, as well as if I want to add a chart, I can do it from here. Or if I want to add notifications, such as alerts, I can also go and configure it here by clicking the bell icon. Stay tuned for additional videos, as we will continually be putting out DxTrade videos so that all users are familiar with how the platform works.